Buenas noches, mi amigos. This is still my friends way to TV. Sigo siendo tu hombre comes at the spot, and I'm bringing you yet another in-studio discussion where we get to reflect about all things the 2026 FIFA World Cup happening in Mexico, United States, as well as Canada. But this time around, our main focus is that opening game between Mexico as well as Bafana Bafana. I do know that a whole lot of you within the country, we are crying into saying we could have probably won that game. I mean, you're looking at the tactics that the coach implemented on the day. But worry not, this is the platform where you get to voice out your displeasure with how Bafana Bafana fared into this in that game in particular. And today, better yet, I mean, it's a full house. I have Bomodao, I have Chinaman, I have Lovers, as well as the messenger, the man who will probably say something to send a message, hopefully to the national team. And we do know that when he speaks, they listen. Hola, mi amigos.
Hola.
Le grande bafetu.
Re grand. Monate.
A re qale ka wena messenger, ke a o tseba wena phela ko wena monga melaetsa, ha o bua melaetsa ya finyella kwana mo tshwantse finyelle teng. So at this point in time, how are you looking? I mean, ke batla only this is the platform. I mean, before we went live, ninze re lla re Bafana should have, couldn't have, but in this case it was never was. O e bone jwang game e?
Yeah, no. Thank you for having me. My brother. Problem kore Hugo Broso re tabotse. A re lemaditse di mane yo. O lemaditse country. Not only South Africa. There are some African countries tse ne di re support. O lemaditse batho ba bangata haholo. Because I don't understand what's ha ke batlo complain. I don't want ha ke batlo nyamisa batho. But at the end of the day, re hloka something man. Re hloka something positive. O ka setle staging se kana o qualifyile ka dibapadi tse itseng. Ha e se tla World Cup o change everything. Everything. O tla ka di-striker tse two. O tla o nkile game ena ka defender se kaofela. Modia o kile a kora kae? Ha re bue nnete. Re tseba hore Modiba o kora ka di-free kick. Ha se motho a korang in the field of play. But yet ke ya neneng o bapala left winger o pele kwana. Ati bo Moremi bothata ba bona keng? Bo Mofokeng, we are talking about batho be re tsebang hore in PSL they are doing so good. I mean Mofokeng e ka nna ba player of the season. A policy le ena o ntsa le palong eo. O ba a policy ka ntle. A ra batho bohle neng kwatise ke a policy. Jo we a policy ka ntle. O bo kenya bo mang ka policy? Bo Foster. And re bone why Bafethu ke kopa le bue ke.
Well, clearly, you could see. I mean, we do know that he's a man that sends out messages, but at this point in time, you can see he's even tongue-tied. He doesn't even know what to say. I mean, Lovers, let me bring you into this one. I mean, yeah, no, we have spoken and we have exhausted all our frustrations at this point in time.
Yeah, no, let them come back. Yeah, no, Mababwe. Yeah, if the entire national team is not coming back, then let's allow Hugo Bruce and Mikelele to come back. Let's allow the boys to coach themselves, because clearly we don't have a technical team. They don't know what they are doing there. There is no way you're going to approach your first opening game without your offensive players. That doesn't make sense. There is no way you are going to approach your first game defending. What are you defending? We are on 0 points, 0 goals, 0 against. Everything is 0, but you are going there to defend. What message are you sending to South Africans? Everybody was watching that game. Believe you me, everyone was excited to see. That was the worst opening game to ever be there. Yeah, the FIFA World Cup, ever since this tournament started. So I don't understand what Hugo Bros did. So I think it would be a great thing for them to come back. And actually, the whole entire team can come back. And then let's allow the boys to actually coach themselves. Maybe they might do something better, because it didn't make sense what was going on there. We expected a lot, especially from a coach of Hugo Bros' caliber. We expected a lot. It's frustrating to get a young boy such as Riley William Fukeng standing up, devastated, at a loss of words, not knowing what to do. Something should have clicked. Or no, man, there's something wrong I'm doing. As a tactician, as a tactical coach, the first thing that you do is always make sure that there's nothing wrong with making changes, even 6 minutes into the game. If you see or something, that's why I will always say I respect Mexico's coach, because he never got scared when he saw that defensive lineup, Bafana. Instead, he became a master tactician. And he knew or a sharp, because these people are going to use Modao and Modiba. Those wing backs, they're going to use them to overlap. When we press those boys, we are not pressing them 1v1, we are pressing them 2v1. That is why Modao and Modiba were found making mistakes, because what they were the pressure Hugo Bros put them under was not going to work for the boys. Yeah, so let them come back.
Let them come back, so says Lavas. I don't know what's your sentiments with regards to that. I mean, we did hear rather a sports minister, that is Katie McKenzie, into saying all is not lost. I mean, there's 6 points to be played, to be played up for grabs, rather. That you can still play for. But we have put ourselves in a very, very, very tricky situation. I mean, China, it's a very tricky situation, because now you look at a situation where South Africa has lost, Czechia has lost, and now they are facing each other on Thursday, and it's a must-win game for either of the nations, because you lose that game, you play the third game as a dead rubber, and then you come home.
Yeah, look, Brakamza, we've seen this before on previous World Cups, whereby Algeria lost their first opening game. We've been seeing such things. Ivory Coast lost their first opening game. Yeah, teams sometimes they do lose their first opening games and then come back. But here's a problem with our country. Our squad. Now, a lot depends to the defenders. We have more defenders than the attackers there. How are we going to win those games? That's the thing. So I will always say that we didn't lose these games on the field. We lost these games on the selection of the players. That's the problem. Now, yes, we still have a chance to play, but who are we going to play with? Who will supply our strikers? Who will supply our players? I mean, we don't have midfielders. According to him, yes, we do have those 3 midfielders, but will he field them? He might surprise us. We might see surprises again. Because of now, we depend on defenders, unlike other nations. Other nations are there to play. Even smallest of the smallest. Look at Nicaragua. Those boys, they lost against Yemen 7-1.
Curaçao.
Curaçao.
Yes.
They lost against Yemen, but they played. How about us? What is it that we are respecting? We have nothing to respect now. We have to go there and play. So the reason why I'm saying that chances to maybe grab some few points are there, but under our coach are less.
Momdao, I'm going to come to you. I mean, before we went live, we checked that video, especially with South Korea. Hey, these 2 games are very difficult now.
Yeah, thank you. I'm finna wait and the viewers at home. So for me, I will start here. 2010, Spain lost the first game and ended up winning the World Cup. 2022, Qatar, Argentina lost the first game and then ended up winning the World Cup. So this for one is not the end of the world. So we can't go with 2 games, and we can't go on those 2 games with these negative things. We have to support our boys. So we have the time to redeem ourselves. Over 2 games, we're still in. So we're going to play Czech Republic on Thursday, and the last game with South Korea. So these things is on our hands. If we beat those 2 teams, we're there on the group stages. The mandate now, we have to redeem ourselves and win the next game. And also, we have to think for the group stages to overcome group stages. Because now we're in the group stages. If we win 1 game or the 1 game, we are going to last 32. And also, if we win 1 game and maybe we lost the last game, they still have got the 3rd place. 8 teams, they have to be selected to the 3rd place so that they can go to the last 32. So all in all, it's still on our hands. We made a mistake. Our coach made a mistake. We accept. But let's put that game behind us. It's water under the bridge now. We can talk from sunset until sunrise until sunset. There's those 3 points can come back. So let's focus to the next game. So those boys, also them, don't give them too much pressure. If us the fans were panicking, how about those boys? They're on the foreign country now. Now here is 1 o'clock. They're still sleeping. So they're still to adapt, but now is the time to focus. We have to redeem as a country because we have to respect this badge of South Africa. So for me, everything is on our hands. We have to do ourselves. So don't wait for another country to do us favors. The boys will bounce back. The coach, he sees his mistakes. I'm sure he's going to rectify those mistakes on the next game. That's what I can say.
Now, Messenger, I mean, Bomudao want to into saying at this point in time, fine, Rufila had done with the defeat against Mexico, but now he's mentioning something important into saying, even in the defeat, it's not lost. We still need to be positive and still really behind the team. I mean, China also made China Limdao. They made a reference into saying, you look at a Spain that lost the opening game in 2010, as well as Argentina, but they went all the way to win the final. But now, how we translate that mentality into our players, into saying, you know what, you lose the game out, but implement that mentality supplied by the tactics in making sure in your next game.
All right, let me say this. I'm not against everything your brother Mudau I will, but there's something we bear in my own opinion. The thing if Rata Hotman, I'm not gonna say if I love you, I get to pretend there. I need to correct you. Do you know why Spain won the World Cup 2010 and Argentina? First of all, 2010, when Spain lost, go and check or research a defense Spain and Edieza. They were under pressure because of the fans. Go and check as Argentina had 2022. In fact, yone kadile khale ha Messi a loser World Cup. But she said we are talking about someone killing 8 Ballon d'Ors. Bamu destroy the social media. We know everything. If we come here, we support you. No, I'm not gonna do that. Things must change. They must know there's millions and millions of people who are watching there. You know, Mall of Africa got money. Negele the VIP. Ilare 100 kora one not at the same time. Serame and sharp. Insect Sahatsala uno dino. Immediate Patao. Neke Simon. Unekina Lena Bramdo. Nikutile. Lena Hatsala same time. Same time. Paineri Hutan Tamela Bajuetore. Guys, Tamel it's a better. Well, now we have a good players. Those people squad more, they are all good. Problem corona selection. Jolo Cabra China selection and coach ring. How come Sebo or there good players more benching? This was one of the most worst opening game ya South Africa kapatlikere World Cup as a whole. Hotman Eric wena personal like that ungwenza gona bashimana bana ba Korea ba practice jwang e ka re bo China ba fefa okay country na Zech is it Zech
Czechia
Republic.
We might win. I have kenale possibility mo ka win. Let's look at Korea. Bashimana ba batlo tshwa yiboma if re tlo defender bashimana ba batlo tshwa yima o bone bafana ba ha ba matha ba etsa
ke ba bone
e ka ra se ma China batho bao o bona ha ba heta o tsoko rena ba tlo tshwa ke mangele o bone na game ya gona ne le slow jang against Mexico. We were so slow e ka re ne re imetso ka pa stadium ne se le segolo. I don't know le players tsa gona ai ha ba re ba maka mona icon a Godman ne re le botswa like everything was ha re tšhentšhe coach ha tšhentšhe line up a etse good bo policy ba ka se dule fatshe bo Mofokeng bo Moremi bo Maseko. We need to attack Godman. Re tlameha re pound to pound re ke sebeletso all games tsa World Cup ha ja misa le 1 o'clock ya ba ke a tsoa 3 o'clock shebeletse di game ka ipotsa ebe go kora kae mo mara if re tlo kopana le batho go ha ke re ga kora re go etsala jwang if bo dibapadi tsa rona tse tlalang hantle ha dio kutlwa Mofokeng bohloko pelo ya ka ke sheba di man ha etsa le 20 minutes nyana o kena Mofokeng ene ho tu unfortunately na motho ana ile ke mang ano mo scouter o thona ile a lo checka na o dlala jwang a tsebo rekwa ke ane sala ime palong Fuchs wa batho unzima bafethu unzima
Lovers umuntu ile messenger walla o lla sammokotsane ngwana mme a shebe monyetla o lo reng go fie wona for this coming Thursday into saying changing things. How are you seeing things, anticipating rather things to be when we face Czechia on Thursday?
You know, let me say this: a choir that sings the same note blends together. So if our coach will want to win that game, his tactics needs to make sure or the squad is going to blend together. So he needs to change his tactics. We cannot go there defending. We went there playing 5-3-2. This time I'm not expecting to see a 5-3-2. I'm expecting to see a 4-2-3-1. I'm expecting to see a 4-2-3-1. That kind of a formation. I'm expecting him to make sure he converts a Jaden Adams from an 8 to a 10. He needs to be smart with his tactics now. And he also needs to remember, in order for him to beat Czech Republic, he needs to make sure that he plays in the midfield because they are weak when it comes to the midfield. Do not allow those boys wide because the moment you play them wide, it's going to be a problem for us. So he needs to be smart. He needs to go back to the drawing board, check their games, and now you need to understand because now I'm down with the middle fielder, which is Pepel, I think. Stoll.
Yeah, Stoll.
Stoll is out. Stoll is out. So now you need to sit down as a coach, as a tactical team, and you ask yourself one thing, how do I work around this? Then you make sure you know that in order for you to not fill the gap, and then you only have 3 midfielders, make sure that you neutralize 2 midfielders to play you a double pivot. Ne? And then make sure that Jaden Adams, in order for you to not exhaust him as your central attacking midfielder, you convert him into a number 10. Let him swap roles with William Fouke. Understand? Make sure you bring in the diamond. Remy Apolisi Limfuke. Believe you me, if you bring in that diamond, we are gonna get goals. So he needs to be smart this time in order for us to beat Czech Republic. Because if not, South Africa, if we don't win this game, we are coming back with the 0 points back home.
China, umzwile Lovers together no messenger there. I mean, sharing their thoughts pertaining to how they would want to see things pertaining to South Africa when they face against Czechia. I mean, when you also look at from a Czechia point of view, I mean, there's 2 high-profile players that we do know. There's this Patrick Schick there. There's Thomas Souček. I mean, at this point in time, should we pay too much attention? Who's playing in that team, and who better yet from our team can actually face those high-profile players in making sure that we get the required results?
I think it's our coach who have that mindset, Brawam. Look, asizoyifihla lento, asizopretenda lento. Iplamba ile. We need to come out from close exchange. We can't come here and sit here and pretend as if Bafana is good, Bramuda. Even Coach Rulani could have done better. Our coach, our very own Coach Pizzo. Now look at this Plumber. Now let's be honest about this Plumber. And together with Umkelele, the assistant coach, we also have to let Umkelele be accountable of our loss. We can't be quiet because if we lost against Mexico, I still believe that Mexico is the weakest team in that group.
Yeah.
We've lost against weakest team. So we gave respect to a weakest team in that group. Now you look at Czech Republic. They won 4 games out of 5. 4 out of 5. Our team out of 5 won. Now it's not even about the high profile players or the names. He respects teams he's not supposed to even respect. He respected Mexico, whereas he was supposed to go out there and play against Mexico. Look, we were so privileged as a South Africa there. It's the first game World Cup. It's something historical that happened 2010, and then it's happening in 2026. Go there, showcase our talent, showcase our boys. Look, boys, play your best. This is a world stage. Even if ever we lose this game, at least scouters will come to South Africa. Now, he respected Mexico. We can't come here and sit here, Prakamza, and pretend as if things are fine. We are not okay. He respected a team he was not supposed to respect. Now, look at the teams that we're going to face. Your Czech Republic. They are too good. They played against Korea. A Korea that, even if ever you beat Korea, Korea will score. You like it or not. You will beat them, but they will score. Now, they have a good scoring record. And then you look at Republic, they also have a good scoring record. Look at us. We are struggling to score. Even when we score, always the case that we lose those games, even though we scored. But however, now you look at these players, these teams that we're going to face, they are too good on the ball, more than Mexico. Mexico was not there. We lost against a weakest team. We respected Mexico. So it means that he will give more respect to the other team. So I still feel like this Plumber is protecting Indaba. Plumber that came when Sundowns was on a form. Yeah. And then used the Sundowns, got us a bronze. And then when Pirates was on a very good pick, when starting build up where it is today, and then he used Pirates. And then we managed to at least go through in knockout stages with AFCON. We qualified in the World Cup, not because of we gave all out. We qualified because of the number of teams. They increased the number of teams. Yeah. If ever we were to play 5 teams, where FIFA required 5 teams from Africa, it means we're not going to be part of that because of this plan. We are in this cage when Prakamza Nkolele njengivale. We're in this cage, Prakamza, because of Kuchwa. He helped us to qualify. Yeah. Any coach was going to help Bafana to qualify with this cream. We have best players. Yeah. The trio Karile, Police, Muremi, that's what we expected to see. They are doing well. You keep Police, who's been doing well in the national team, Benjin. And then we will say that, no, we're going to come back. Some other teams, they once been there. No, we can't pretend anymore. We are frustrated. We are not happy as a nation. They're supposed to know. He's supposed to know. We are sending a message now that we are not happy as a nation. Even Rwanda with these short passes, we can't only blame Stole. There's a lot of things there that we also need to look at. Short passes. Rwanda can't scan. Pass to Stole. Yes, he asked for the ball, but was he in the right position to receive the ball? Of course, as a goalkeeper, you can say that, no, you're not in the right position. Even Rwanda, his decisions, that's not a Sundowns, that's a national team. So every game we always get such things. We need to be honest. We can't be driven by the system, Prakamza, whereby we need to speak good about our team. Our team is not going well. Our team is not doing well. Adidas will lose sales. I think these t-shirts, there was a last bulk of Adidas. These t-shirts was the last bulk of Adidas. They will be there. Yeah. So trust me now, we need a simple formation. You can't take Umudau from a Sundowns Young Converter World Cup. Yeah. You are supposed to convert him kuma friendly games. Why you didn't do that? Why are we getting surprises?
You've got a question. I've got guys, I need you to answer me, especially Brother Mudau, because do you think, because Hagi Cheka, how no it was starting lineup, I was online. I check up Batubane Bale Life Fair. Even legends, they were against this lineup. I thought maybe Hugo Broos was going to do something better. But unfortunately, we were all right. Now, I want to ask, is Mukelele have a say more national teaming? I need you to answer me, guys.
Hmm?
Ntate Mkhelele, o na le any say
In the national team.
in the national team?
$1 million question. Bomda?
Kamza, now I'll be different with the viewers of my colleagues here. Ne? So I hear China saying about the plumber of the coach. Now I disagree. Hugo Bros is not a plumber. Check when he comes to South Africa. Bafana will not even go to the stadium when Bafana is playing. That guy, coach, he brings fans to the stadiums. We go to Morocco, we come back. It's not Morocco, where is Egypt? Where you come with the bronze, with number 4.
That was Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
Yes.
He came with the bronze, number 4. He go to Morocco now. He managed to go to the group stages. So this is the first coach to take us to the World Cup. Which coach did take Bafana Bafana to World Cup? Besides 2010 hosting years in South Africa. He took us to the World Cup. On the group stages World Cup qualifier, he was number 1, even though they deduct 3 points. But he topped the group. So now I can come here and then I know I feel pain because I bought this shirt. It's authentic 2.4. I love this badge. Even those I love this badge. Even though when we lost, I'm hurt like everyone, South Africans, the legend, everyone. But we can't come here and sit here and demoralize the boys and then the coach. Listen, you speak and even interfere.
Okay.
So I don't want to get more viewers because of the speaking bad about the Bafana Bafana and the players. We must give them a courage to bounce back, because those players, when they sit at the hotel, they're seeing our videos. The coach made a mistake. We agree, all of us. He made a mistake about his team selection, which the whole South Africa will agree. But now we're going to the Czech Republic game. We have to bounce back. We have to remember ourselves as a national team. It's not a Yugos Bros team. It's a national team. That's why when the teams plays, they sing the national anthem, because it's a national. So those boys, we have to give them encourage. Guys, your coach let you down. But now the coach hears people, they're complaining. Let's give him a chance to this second game, Czech Republic. Czech Republic, he's learning ups. You see where the mistake is. Because now I can come here and say, Yaya got a red card. Okay, thanks God. Yaya's got a family. They see him. So I don't want to demoralize the boys. We have to uplift the boys. Now I can come here and sit here and then criticize our players and the coach. Because Nigeria now is sitting at home now, watching Bafana Bafana is there. Some of the countries, they never qualify to go to play at the World Cup. We made a mistake on the first 11, which we agree. And then the coach, please, do the right things. One of the players that are capable to beat Czech and South Korea. Ghana, they beat South Korea 3-2 at Qatar. South Africa can do it. As long as we guard ourselves, because the next game for Czech Republic, they rely on set pieces. So our defense and Ronza, our captain, they must make sure that we don't concede a lot of corner kicks, we don't make fouls, because Czech Republic, they rely on set pieces. So for me, for Bafana Bafana, we'll bounce back. It's a group stages. We still have got chance to make it, and also we've still chance to make the best 3. So why we're rating the team off? So Hugo Bros, we know that after this World Cup is going, and then also for to answer Messenger, Isham Khalel, I can't go there because Mukale is an assistant coach. I don't know if they say blah blah, because I'm not inside the dressing room, but the coach must take responsibility. We can't shift the blame to assistant coach. The coach is the head coach. He must take the responsibility. That's why he came out on his press interview that he's going to change. He learned his mistakes. So now this one is waf. We must do the right things. We have the players that can beat Czech. We have the players that can beat South Korea. So Bafana Bafana, we are behind you. So make South African proud, because Morning Africa were plenty, were many players, supporters that watching Bafana Bafana. We need to redeem themselves. That's what all we need now. and to bounce back and go to the group stages.
And on that note, that's how we wrap it up. I mean, we can't top what Madawi has said. So, I mean, let's just continue following the guys as they continue their quest with regards to all things the 2026 FIFA World Cup. You've heard what the gentlemen have said. Continue the conversation on our comment section. But yeah, let's look forward to that big game against Czech Republic on Thursday. It is a big one whereby we will, I know for sure, we will get those 3 points. We need to support our national team at all costs. But from myself, comes the sport together with the gentleman right here and the gents behind the scenes. Adios, amigos.